So today we will talk about the James Webb Space Telescope. NASA has finally decided the launch date. Earlier the launch date is 18th December, but because of the technical faults now the launch date is December 22nd. So remember that. And remember that this is the successor of Hubble Space Telescope and the Spitzer Telescope. So in this video we will talk about why in news, what is the main purpose of a space telescope, this space telescope, and what is the instruments used in this James Webb Space Telescope. So let's talk about. So as I have told you that NASA has finally decided the launch date of largest ever. Remember that James Webb Space Telescope is the largest ever telescope and the launch date is December 22nd. If we talk about the telescope, then remember that it will be launched on. Remember that this is the rocket Ariane 5 ECA is the rocket from which this telescope will be launched and will go to the space. So remember that this is the from French Guiana, South America. Remember that with the collaboration of NASA, European Space Agency and Canadian Space Agency. So it is not only the NASA but also the European Space Agency and Canadian Space Agency. Remember that. As I have told you that it is the largest space telescope and the successor of Hubble Space Telescope and Spitzer Telescope designed to study the space in wide and shallow manner. So what is the difference between the Hubble Space Telescope and the Spitzer Telescope? Basically the area is very wide, and that's why because of the area not very focused study has been take place about the universe, about the star, about the formation of galaxy through this Hubble Space Telescope and Spitzer Telescope. So remember that, and that's why there is a James Webb Space Telescope. Basically you have to focus in a very narrow, but in that area you have to deep study you have to take place. That's why this is what is the main difference between the James and Hubble Space and Spitzer Telescope. So remember that as I have told you that it is focused on narrow and deep focused study. Means if this is the area, then in this area you have to take a very deep study, is whatever nothing can should be skipped. So this is very important. And 1 million miles means it will go, this is the earth, then it will go from 1 million miles, around the 1 million kilometer from the earth. So this is very important. Now we will talk about the instruments and the purpose. So further about the James Webb Space Telescope, then remember that to make this telescope the amount has been spent around the $8 billion. And remember that will act as a premier observatory telescope. Remember that premier observatory telescope for at least the next decade. So remember that this is very important. What is the main thing is that this is the large infrared telescope. So remember that which will basically help how actually the universe form and what is the star galaxies that form from the starting point, and what are the process of formulation that through this large infrared telescope and longer wavelength this is easier to actually find out. So this is one of the importance of James Webb Space Telescope. If we talk about the instruments that has been used in this, then remember that near infrared camera, another is the near infrared spectrograph and mid infrared instruments, and if you talk about near infrared imager and stiltless spectrograph, this is so it has the main basically 4 to 5 central goals, and you have seen that here are around the 4 instruments has been used for the different purpose. Now we'll talk about what is the main purpose of this James Webb Space Telescope, which is going to space from the December 22nd. If you talk about, then if you talk about the central goals, then remember that search for the first galaxies that formed after the Big Bang. So as you know, this is actually a mystery, actually how the star form, how the universe forms. So through this space telescope, when we'll go into the space, so this in the focused area, it will check actually how the star forms, how the galaxies form, how the universe formed after the Big Bang around this 113,000 billion years ago. So this is very important if you talk about, and that is known as the universe first light. So remember that. If you talk about another purpose, to determine how galaxies evolved from the earlier formation to until now, means what is the starting point, actually how galaxies took place, and after that how galaxies actually formed today till today. So this is the what is the importance of James Webb Space Telescope to find out. If you talk about another is the to observe the formation of stars from the first stages. Basically whatever is related to the universe which is now is mystery, try to find through this space telescope. This is very important. Another purpose of James Webb Space Telescope, if you talk about, study the formation of planetary system and measure the physical and chemical properties of planetary system. This is one of the purpose if you talk about. Another very important purpose if you talk about, then potential for life in such system. How can humans survive? What are the water and air is present in such a system which is very different from the earth, and human can survive. So if you talk about recently, the NASA Perseverance rover is also important, and that is one of the main purposes basically to find out the potential for life in the Mars. So remember that. So this purpose and that purpose of Perseverance, NASA Perseverance, is similar. So this is very important if you talk about. Then remember that designed to study the solar system planets, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune and their satellites if you talk about. Another very important, it will also study the comets, asteroids. As you know, recently the asteroids is very in news, which can actually collide with the earth and the earth can destroy. So this asteroid will also study, and whatever other minor planets which this James Webb Space Telescope will discover, that will also study by this telescope, and whatever data will provide by this James Webb Telescope to the their offices. So this is very important if you talk. So if you talk about the summary of this video, then remember that this James Webb Space Telescope is the largest ever telescope. Launch date is December 22nd. So remember that this till now has not been launched. So this is very important. Then remember that this is the largest infrared telescope, and remember that larger wavelength has been taken place, and which will help to study these kind of things whatever in the purpose has been provided. This has been used the 4 instruments basically. So this is very important. And if you talk about the main purpose is basically to study about the universe. So whatever is take place in the universe, basically to study about the universe, and after that the potential of life in such universe. So this is very important. And another is basically also important from the point to study the solar system. Another is basically to comets, asteroid and other minor planets. So this is all about of this. Thank you guys, hope you will like this video.